Before you place an order on Zovely Shop, you might want to watch this video because there are a few things you should know first. I took a closer look at Zovely Shop to see whether it's a trustworthy online store or one that shoppers should avoid. Right away, there are several red flags that make me cautious. The first thing that stood out is that the website is very new. New online stores aren't automatically scams, but when a brand has little to no track record, it's always worth being extra careful. On top of that, the website hides its ownership information, making it difficult to verify who is actually running the business. Another concern is the lack of an established online reputation. There aren't many genuine customer reviews available, and several website trust-checking platforms currently give Zovely Shop a very low trust score because of factors like its recent domain registration, hidden ownership, and similarities to other suspicious shopping sites. If you've noticed the incredibly low prices on the site, that's another reason to be cautious. Huge discounts can sometimes be legitimate, but they're also a common tactic used by questionable online stores to attract impulse buyers. If a deal looks far better than what you'll find from established retailers, it's worth asking why. That doesn't automatically mean every order will end badly, but based on the information currently available, there simply isn't enough evidence to confidently say that Zovely Shop is a reliable place to shop. So, is Zovely Shop legit? At this point, I'd say it falls into the high-risk category rather than being a store I could confidently recommend. If you do decide to buy, use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection, like a credit card or PayPal if it's available. Avoid paying through methods that don't offer refunds if something goes wrong. My overall recommendation is simple: proceed with caution. Until the store builds a stronger reputation with verified customer feedback and greater transparency, I'd personally wait before placing an order.